Are you looking for resources for those gray areas in all coding and documentation guidelines? Are you looking for some help with published guidelines that are difficult to muddle through? This NAMAS YouTube channel is a place for you. Hi, I'm Shannon DeConda. I've been in healthcare for all my life, 25 plus years. I've been working with DoctorsManagement NAMAS for 19 years. Thanks for joining our YouTube channel. Our mission here on this channel is to have short videos that are giving you help in those gray areas and helping with those hard published guidelines to push through and make them clear and concise and easy to understand. So I hope you'll hit subscribe so that when we drop a new video, you'll be informed. And please leave me some feedback and comments so I can make it better and easier for you to understand. So look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great day.